This is the most amazing strategy I have ever used in trading. After 3 years of trial and error, I have perfected a method that combines support resistance, trend line, and risk management. And today I am breaking it down step by step to help you make consistent profit. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. And stick around till the end because I got something big to announce. A collaboration with one of the best traders out there to help you learn more. But there is one catch. We need to hit 10k subscribers first. Did you know that ignoring support and resistance level is one of the biggest reasons traders fail? These levels act like a market secrets roadmap. Here an example, this support level act like a safety net, holding the price multiple times. And this resistance, it was like a wall price couldn't break through. Knowing these zones help you to decide when to buy or sell. But to get it right, you need to pair it with trend line. Have you ever wondered why some traders seem to predict the market direction so accurately? The secret lies in a trend line. Trend line shows the overall direction of the market. In this chart, you can see how the price respected the trend line as a support. When it broke through, it was a clear signal for a reversal. Pairing it with support and resistance is how you find a high probability trade setup. Hacks that will save your trading account. First, never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. Second, always set a stop loss to protect your capital. Third, aim for at least a 1:2 risk reward ratio to make every win count. Here, a quick calculation. If your account balance is $1,000, your risk per trade is $10. This strategy ensures you to stay in the game even during a losing streak. Here is how I pull it all together. I spot a resistance level and draw a trend line. When price broke above the trend line and restricted the resistance, I entered a buy. My stop loss was just below the resistance and my target was twice the risk. This trade hit my target, perfectly doubling my reward. I promised you a big announcement and here it is. Once we hit our 10k subscribers, I will collaborating with one of the best trader in the trading. Together we will bring you even more advanced strategy and exclusive tips to level up your trading. So if you are excited about it, hit the like button, subscribe and share this video with your trading buddies. This is the most important decisions you will make as a trader. Mastering these tools and stay disciplined. If you are ready to level up your trading, join my free Telegram channel for exclusive strategies. Drop a comment below with your trading struggles and I will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye guys.